Hello candidates and welcome back to the revision of meetings, compliance and administration. This is a paper done by certified secretaries. We've been revising the past paper questions. Today we're moving on to question number 3, December 2022. Question 3A reads, explain 3 circumstances when it is appropriate for a company to use a common seal on a document. Explain 3 circumstances. That's the question. 3 circumstances when it is appropriate for a company to use a common seal on its documents. The first circumstance is in relation to execution of deeds. Execution of deeds. In some jurisdictions, candidates, the execution of deeds requires the use of a common seal, and a company may use a common seal to affix its official mark on the deed to indicate its authenticity and formal execution. Execution of deeds. 2, contracts and agreements. This is another set of documents that may require a company to use its common seal. Contracts and agreements. In certain situations, contracts and agreements may require the use of a common seal for added legal validity. And the common seal acts as a symbol of the company's authority and intention to be bound by the terms of the contracts or the terms of the agreement. Then we have legal and regulatory requirements. Legal and regulatory requirements. Legal and regulatory requirements. There may be specific legal or regulatory requirements that mandate the use of a common seal for certain types of documents, such as statutory filings, share certificates, bank guarantees, and so on. So companies may be obligated to comply with these requirements to ensure legal compliance and enforceability of the documents. So these are 3 circumstances. 1, 2, 3 circumstances to earn 3 marks. That is part A of that question.